Hi, this is Sarah Fires and you're watching Sarah's Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple ice cream. For making the pineapple ice cream, first I'm going to cook some pineapple in sugar and water. The quantity of the water will be just enough to sink all the pieces. The pineapple that I'm using here is really sweet, so I just needed to use only 3 spoons of sugar. We can stir in between and let it cook until it's very soft. Now that the pineapple is well cooked, I'm going to transfer it to a small bowl. You need to make sure that this is cooled down, so I'm going to use an ice bath. Once the pineapple is cooled down, transfer it to the blender and puree it. Once the pineapple is pureed well, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and half cup of milk. At the end, I'm adding 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream. After adding heavy whipping cream, we just need to blend it for a few seconds. Here the ice cream maker is ready and spinning, so I'm adding the mixture. The speed setting used in this is the lowest speed, which is stir. If you want to prepare ice cream without an ice cream maker, what you can do is you can use the hand blender and go for the lowest speed. The bowl or the pan that you're going to use it for mixing the ice cream, you can chill it in a freezer at least 2-3 hours and then use it. Once the ice cream is thickened, you can keep it in the freezer and then take it out every 30 minutes for the next 3 hours and repeat the blending with the hand mixer. After waiting for 20 minutes, ice cream is ready in the ice cream maker, so I'm transferring it. You can see that it has come very creamy and thick. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know your comments, and also if you like it, please share it with your friends.